exactly sure where we're headed. All I know is that there may be an abandoned sawmill up ahead. So we're gonna explore there, see what it looks like. If I find a place to camp, that's even better, but could be hit or miss. There's still remnants of the old boardwalk here. This is the new one. So yeah, if there's anything to camp, if there's a spot to camp there that looks better than my home camp, which is actually just back that way, we'll stay there. But my home camp, woo, it's gorgeous. You guys would love it. More boardwalk. Well, let's see. Oh. So wood grouse. I don't know if you saw it just fly. But we're hearing people chop wood. They're probably fixing this. Okay, he said that's the end of the boardwalk because they have to build a bridge next to get across this part, but I think we're just gonna walk across. What do you think, bud? He's camera shy. One dilemma to finding abandoned camping places is they don't have distinct trails to get to them. So this might not even be the right way. I'll check the maps. I checked the map, we're going the right way. There's a tag, and it looks like that's a trail. Let's go. Popcorn, some ghee, and we're gonna have it on a twig stove in a titanium cup. What we do is we melt the ghee first, drop one kernel in and wait for that to pop. Once it has popped, we put the rest of the kernels in. dehydrated mulberries and black raspberries. Really good trail snack. This area seems kind of touristy. We'll see. In case you're wondering, these are neoprene socks. No signs of really anything abandoned yet, except the boardwalk. And right as I say that, let's go check out the other side. Jeffrey! Ready? Come on. There you go. So that's where the sawmill was. I don't see anything around other than that. See what's at the bottom. Okay, it's starting to rain, so we're gonna head back to base camp. Home camp. I'll show you what it's like there. We've arrived. Here we are. Home base. Base camp. Sleeping in a tent tonight. And last night, the night before that. It's actually not that messy in there, but that's where I sleep mostly every night. Check this out. How beautiful this water is. The feathers I found are blue jay feathers. One cool thing about blue jay feathers, if you hold them up to the sun, that blue goes away. It's not blue anymore, but look, when the sun hits it, there's the blue. It's powerful sun, eh? I'm gonna try to cook dinner before this rain comes. Sounds like a storm. Pure fat wood. Smells great. So for dinner, I'm gonna have rice from the dollar store, pepper with some dried onions, and it'll be a steak with some curry masala. And Jeffrey, you're gonna have some steak too. Yeah. Steak, sweet potato, rice, and egg. For the rice and Jeffrey's dehydrated food, I need to use the 2-burner. gotta boil in water. You ready? That's a big... Go get it! That looks amazing. And surprisingly, since the rice is from the dollar store, it's some of the best rice I've ever had. We put an LED strip on my tent. Looks pretty awesome. I'm in the tent now. It didn't end up raining. And the spot we found today was pretty amazing. Not at all what I was expecting. So, hope you had a good day. Hope you have a good night. And see you guys next week. So last night after we saw those crayfish in the water, this morning when we woke up, this guy, he's not alive, he was just there, So I thought right now would be a good opportunity for me to get used to handling crayfish, because it is a good skill to have. I used to catch them a lot when I was younger, but it has been a very long time since I've had one in my hands. Now, I thought it'd be a good idea to show you guys what's going on with these guys. This is the claw. You can see one has bigger teeth than the other. This is the mouth. These little fingers in there. That's what scoop all the food into their mouth. It's the antenna. I wonder if you can see their eyes. Oh yeah, there you go. That's pretty cool. They almost look blue. Now, these front two legs have little claws too. These ones don't. I assume all those hairs are feelers and tasters. I'm not sure the difference between a male and female just yet, but I'm sure, or at least I know, if it were a female and it had eggs, the eggs would be right in this area. It looks like it has some more legs in there holding something, like its belly, its abdomen there. Picking him up the first time, it was a little bit freaky, but now that I've handled him more, I feel more comfortable, which is exactly what I was hoping this would do. Something breaking through the bushes over there. Hey, Jeffrey. Jeffrey likes him too. Look, come here. Jeffrey. He's looking for them in the water. Look, it's right here. Here. Yeah. Hey. Alright. That was a cute little bonus film. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, you're amazing. I gotta go deal with this guy. I wonder what I'm gonna do. I might just put him back in the water where he was. It's a great idea, actually. Bye.